say, man. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's the Redneck Gamer, and today, as you see, we're on Madden Mobile again. And what I wanted to be showing y'all is, as y'all see, and at my coins, I have 30,000. And what I wanted to be opening was actually, I wanted to go to the marketplace, and I wanted to open one of these 100,000 legendary packs, and I'm probably not. This contains one Legends player collectible. Pretty good amount of stuff. Anyways, Legends. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. Anyways, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get one of those, but as you see, I don't have that much coins. So, one time, am I in the league yet? I think I am. See, look, I pulled these two out of the elite player packs, you know, the hurricane ones. For some reason, they gave me two, right? Anyways, am I in my own? Oh, yeah. Well, I pulled this Jimmy Ward out of the Showdown Bonanza pack. I pulled this one, which I sold out of a pro pack. And I got these two. I didn't keep him because he sold for 170, a lot of coins. Let me collect it. Bam, 201,000. So after this, I'll have 101,000. So in this video today, I will be opening the legend pack. So let's go. All right, here we go. I'm so hyped. This is the first time ever I've ever. Let's see. Wow, it's got a lot of stuff in it. Okay, there's our legend collectibles. Okay, there's our legend collectible. Okay, quarterback, wide receiver, linebacker, safety. Ugh, horrible. Well, I mean, is it worth it? No, not really. It's not really that worth it. But, hey, it's whatever. So, I mean, I don't know what to say. I really can't say nothing. Ooh, 25,000 or 3,400. Yeah, that's horrible though. Anyways, so is it? I mean, come on, this crap. Anyways, is it possible to pull? Is it possible to pull good elites out of those packs? You can probably pull some elites, but as you see, I didn't. And what is this dude's speed, bro? 84 speed. I guess he has crap. I'm actually gonna go with this Paul Krause because I did get his legend collectible. Anyways, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be checking out. Do I have any of this? Oh, I will be switching to my other account in just a second after I get this stuff in. And I might just be buying a dang it. I might be buying an elite player. Just in case. Bang. I swear to God, if it gives me a gold, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, no. You didn't. 72. Anyways, so let me just add this to the set, get that, and then check what elites I can get. See what elites I can get with 112,000 coins. Alright. Yeah, I needed a new kicker. Anyways, doesn't even matter. Elites 112,200. I could probably get I don't know. I could probably get actually two. Anyways, let's say 82. I know it's probably not that. Daggum, 82's go for. Jesus Christ. Alright, you know what? We're going 80. Because I actually need a halfback. Save Cravens actually goes for pretty good. Nobody's buying them. So actually what I need is I actually need a new halfback. So I'm thinking Jeremy Hill has 82 speed. I'm looking for speed. Carlos Hyde has 82 speed. James White is actually the one I was looking for, 83 speed. Mark Ingram with the 81. Ty Montgomery with the 83. I'm looking for big speed, like Thor speed or some crap like that.
This roach is not dead.
Oh my gosh, I don't care. What 82s can I get? Ooh, I can get an 82 Trevor Siemian, but with Tom Brady even... No, I already got Tom Brady. I don't need one.
He's coming for you.
I don't care.
Forgiveness.
Probably, I'm actually about to look up some wide receivers, see if I can get any. Dante Moncrief, ooh, 86 speed, that's actually pretty good.
Never mind.
Devontae Adams, nah, doesn't have that good of a... And... Shard, 32 speed. Well, I don't know. Alright, you know what? Alright, I'm gonna go to my... Hold on, guys. Okay. And actually, I will get back to this account in a minute. So I want to go to my other account. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, guys, I'm back. This is the main account. I use, whoa, what is that? What's up with Brady here? Oh. Sweet. He deserves that. Ah, dadgummit. Now see if those sell. And as you see on this is my main account, and I really usually spend all my money on this account. But this is my team. Y'all probably saw it on my other video. And this is what I have so far on offense. Crazy what some of these have, like Christian McCaffrey, 93 speed. Jalen Richard, 91. Let's see. Mr. Trubisky even 91, fully upgraded. I even have these guys out here fully upgraded, which actually I would love to have get Brandon Tate for that. But yeah. So guys, I pulled some crazy NFL 24/7 elites like him. I pulled this man out of one of you know how when you do the live event, you do this live event, I got him out of it. But it was for the, yeah. And then I'm gonna show y'all like that. Y'all saw that Shaq Thompson, wasn't it? So golly, people pull from elite player pack. Here we go. Wait, how many? Wait. How did you get so many elite player packs? Good God. I only got 2. This man got 3 of them. Anyways, like I was saying, I pulled that from the 24/7. But daggone, how many things did this man get? He's got this man's team. He got 82 Marcus. Yeah. He got 82 Marcus Mariota. He's amazing. I might just get Marcus Mariota. Yeah, he sucks. My whole offense is better than him. The only off elite he has is that. But his defense is popping shit ton more than me. Michael Hyde. Jonathan. Jesus Christ. Wait, what happened to the other dude? He pulled a Kenny Vaccaro. Unauctionable. Shit. Unauctionable. Unauctionable. Yeah, and I got a Ryan now. It kind of sucks. Yeah. But here's my whole team. Offense, bam. Defense, bam. Special names, damn. Anyways, the one thing, y'all probably see Rising Stars, Evan Ingram. Rising Stars, Daniel Hunter. Rising Stars, TJ Watt. But I don't see Jalen Ramsey. Should have done the Jalen Ramsey one. But I was like, fuck it. And also, y'all don't see the Thomas one. One thing about the Thomas one, I wouldn't have needed him because I already have good players. So the next one, if it's on defense, I'm probably gonna do it. I don't know. What the hell? Anyways, alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to go on my other account. That's the end of the video, I guess. I know it was not a good video, but if you did enjoy it, please leave a like. If you want more content, comment down below. Comment down below you want more content, and comment what you want me to do other than this. And then after this, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I mean, it's up to you. And if you do subscribe, click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, because it's somewhat lit up in this bed. Redneck Gamer out. Peace.